Hi, good morning. If you guys just coming on, please tap on that screen, show your girl some love. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm just a lot going on. I'm just tired. Okay, good morning. We're gonna be using two different palettes. The gold eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the color Lovely. So just gonna go. Well, nope, not yet, because I gotta do my eyebrows first. I'm gonna use my Nicka K Acorn. I'm gonna go underneath like this. I'm gonna take my sponge and blend out my color. If you guys are just coming on, please tap on that screen. Show your girl some love. Right, so I'm gonna blend my concealer out underneath my eyebrows. And I'm gonna go and use my angle brush. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Mary, for liking my live. Alright, so we're going to go on and get started. We're going to use the Lovely color. And I'm going to go ahead and use that dark brown. I'm going to use Private Beach. I'm going to use that on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to use the Nude Me eyeshadow palette, Bare. I'm going to put some color here, just a little bit. And I'm going to use the Limitless 2. And I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses eyeliner. I'll be right back, guys. These are the lashes I am wearing in today's video. So this is the lashes. And I'm going to use my favorite lash glue. And I'm going to apply it here. And I'm going to bend my lash. And I'm going to apply. I'm going to use my warm coconut 345. Everything I'm using in today's video is all on Ivy, ivyusa.com. I'm going to apply it here. Warm honey. Tap on that screen for me. Show your girls some love. I think I need to fix my eyebrow in there just a little bit more. Okay, that's a little better. I'm going to use my e.l.f. primer. Thank you. Spray it twice. And then I'm just going to blend out those two colors of concealer. I think I put too much of the lightness on. Probably did. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and put a little bit of the darkness of concealer. If you guys haven't already, please tap on that screen, show your girls some love. I had sprayed some before I had got started. But this is the primer. I had sprayed some before I had got started on my face. But then I spray some more after I apply everything. So, because I have sensitive skin, so I have to be careful what I apply on my face. Alright, I'm going to add some lip gloss. This is also by I Envy, the Argan Oil lip gloss. Is really good. Trying to see what else. Oh, I need to add a little glitter. Here's this one. This is the Malibu Sunset little eyeshadow palette. So I'm using this color here. I'm just going to apply a little bit. That's it, you guys. That's going to be the look for today. Alright guys, if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Follow me on Instagram. I have a personal one. It's sexyriri_93. And I have my business one, Modest Transformation by Celeste. All of the apps, well not apps, all the media that I do be on is in my bio here on TikTok. And you guys on YouTube, you guys know where to find me. Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste. And I have a personal page, sexyriri_93. And you guys follow me on TikTok, Transformation by Celeste. Thank you guys so much for joining me this morning. And happy Saturday. And you guys have a wonderful day. And I will see you guys later. Bye.